So in this short tutorial, we're going to have a look at how you can create an automation rule, which is different from general automations. Automation rules are used, for example, it's like the plumbing in your business. So if a person upgrades their membership, then you can remove one tag and add another tag, or remove a segment, etc. And what I'm going to do in this one is we're going to email a member of my team anytime a purchase is made on one of our products. So let's give this rule a quick name. So then what we're going to do is we choose the trigger. You'll see it down the side here. You select the trigger. You can add multiple triggers. You can add a condition if you want to. It's optional. And then the action to take. So in this case, you can also use the search. So we're going to type in purchase just to do that. And we'll say, okay, purchase has been made. We're going to choose our payment processor. We're going to choose the product. So you see you can choose a specific product, or you can leave it for any product, all right? So if you wanted to do it for multiple products, the way you'd do it is you'd add it here, and then you'd add another one, okay, a new trigger. And then you'd once again do purchase, and you'd select the payment processor, and then you choose the second product and the third, and so on, all right? In this case, what we're going to do is we want it to notify us on all purchases. So we're just going to leave it like that. Another thing that you can actually do is give a product title that contains something. So you might have membership or joined or something like that for the different products that you can then categorize it by. So you can just put that there. But in this case, we're going to leave it as any payment that comes in here. So any purchase that comes in here. So it's not the rebill, it's just the purchase. Go to the next step. So once we've done that, we're then going to click. Let's have a quick look at the conditions. Let's say, for example, they purchased this product, but they are not already a member. So in this case, we only want for new and we don't want for upgrade. And we'll go for a segment, active members. So in this case, whenever someone purchases a product, but are not in this segment, we'll receive a notification. That means that it's only going to be new users for us, okay? So then we're going to click add the new action. And that action we want to do is we want to send an email to notify someone and save the rule. So that's how you can go through and create automation rules. These will always run in the background.